Hi everyone. Okay, so I became a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator again, and I signed up again during the free shipping day, and I went back under my friend. I had been one for years and years, and then I just wasn't using this stuff anymore, you know? I wasn't using it, and so I decided to just let it go because it was so hard to, you know, it was so hard to keep buying for myself because I don't sell. I used to have card class. I don't anymore. So, and then nor am I selling anything to you today. I'm not selling you anything. I'm not into wanting to be a demonstrator that sells. So, but hold on. But I did want to do an unboxing of what I got. so hey, it's okay. So I got this, let's see what I got, because I hadn't been with them for I think 2 years. And this really nice tape. It is the double stitched ribbon. It's that one. Because, I mean, honestly, everybody, I'm not a salesperson. I really am not. I'm just, you know, I'm like, I don't know. I just, I love Stampin' Up! I really love all their products. But I'm just not a salesperson. I don't do the push. I don't do any of that. I'm like, we're all adults. If you want to buy, you can buy. And, you know, I'm not much for crafting with their stuff all the time. I like using all kinds of different products, so I don't have that, you know, and they don't want you to do that. And I'm like, I want to use it all. I don't want to be loyal to one company. I got 2 puff paints. When there's so much out there that's so good. It's so good and so fun. Why would I just want to stick with one company, you know? It's just not very, it's not fun. And you know, for me, I'm only talking about myself, okay? I'm just talking about me, not anybody else. I'm not speaking for anybody else. But for me, I want to use it all. And so that's what also makes me not a good saleswoman, is that I'm like, oh, no, I'm good. I'm like, I want that paper with these tags and that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm not very good at that, but I did want to show you what I got for $100. So, and then I'm going to try and, you know, continue to buy a little bit here and there and try and keep myself in the demonstratorship program. But I did tell my friend, I said, I may not last more than a quarter. So she said, nope, I'm glad to have you as long as you can stay. And I said, okay. So I wish I could bring my card class back. I really wish I could. I always want to, and I think I'm going to do it. And I'm like, I want to make Christmas cards. I want to let everyone make Christmas cards. But then the months fly by, and then I don't end up making anything, and then it all goes to crud. So I don't have that. This is what I really wanted, you guys. I wanted the gnomes. Now, I don't know if this is your first time watching my videos or not, but I was able to get the Simon Says stamp, stamped timber from Brutus Monroe. And I was telling people, because people get so angry when something is gone and they can no longer buy it. And I'm like, one of the things that you have to remember is that somebody else has something similar. And then you don't have to, you know, be stressed out or, you know, so angry about it. But this is a similar one to Brutus Monroe. It's just a smaller version, but it's still gnomes. It's still cute. So hey, Stampin' Up! Has it, you know, and then they have the die too. So I loved it. I love gnomes. I love this set, so I got it. So, and then I guess they gave me a paper pumpkin free kit. Oh, I was thinking about rejoining this too, but then I already have 3 that I don't even use. So I'm like, you know, why join a club when I'm not using my stuff? And I don't want to just buy to buy. And, you know, just because you can doesn't mean you should, you know, kind of thing. So, but this is a paper pumpkin, and this is, you get a stamp set. You usually get a stamp set. and it's photopolymer with a Stampin' spot, which is Melon Mambo. And then it tells you, try it for yourself, become a subscriber, and join. I think it's like $20 a month. It's really cheap too, which I appreciate all that. And that's why it's easy to go, well, I'll just buy it. But then I'm like, then I don't do anything with it. It just sits in my closet, and I don't want that. So, but it's a kit. So you get you do a kit. And that's always fun. And you have the little pearls. You have pop dots, that's worth it. And you have envelopes, which their envelopes are really cool. Oh, look, and their envelopes are coordinating. Love this. Oh, love that. Nice envelopes. Okay, so selling me on the envelopes. Love that. And then this is, oh, so here's the, they probably opened it backwards. This is the instructions. Change is beautiful. And so it shows you how to put it together. Of course, you can always veer off the path. It's, you know, it's okay. You can do your own thing with them. But they just give you the base models, so that way you can copy them or you can do your own thing. It's up to you, but they get you started. And that's cool. So this is all like watercolor. Very nice. So, open. And then, so they have those three, these three, and then they have die cuts, and then these three. So you can do double-sided. I like. But yeah, $20. I thought, you know, it's reasonable and it's fun. But I just, you know, I get a lot of, I was getting a lot of kits a month, and so I couldn't really, you know, justify getting more and then leaving them behind. So, but yeah. And then I got this paper pad, and I was like, you know what? I love it so much. You can totally fussy cut. Now I do wonder if you can, if those dies. If the dies actually work on the papers, you know. Let's see. I didn't realize it right here. Let's see if they do or not. Oh yeah, you guys. I think they do. Oh yeah, look. So you can just, they're already colored for you. So that is totally cool. So that does work. Huh, neat. Neat. And then they're double-sided. And Stampin' Up! Has the best, like, it's called DSP, Designer Series paper. They have, like, the best. Oh, look how pretty that blue is. Oh, look at this one. I like how there's little chocolate ones, too. It's like my dad. That could be my dad. So, Daddy, what are you doing with the deer? Like, oh, look at, in the mushrooms, I bet are the same, too. Let's look. Oh, yep, see, look at mushrooms are the same. Yay. Don't lose your dies. And then, oh, look how cute. So whimsical. Love it. And those are my babies. My babies are pain in the butts. You're going to hear them bark. They're going to run past. So, but we don't discipline here because their life is too short for them to be disciplined for barking. So, we just ignore it. And we go about our day. So, I like to look back on a video and know that my babies are happy and they're crazy and yeah, and not harming anybody. Oh, so what was the name of this one? Sorry guys, this is Storybook Gnomes, and that's the item number. And like I said, you can, I'm sure, you know, that's the whole thing too, is everybody has demonstrators. Oh, why are you so blurry? Yeah, most everybody has demonstrators, so why would I be fighting to try and take away people or to recruit new people? I'm like, this homie has no time for that. I got crafting to do. So, I love this. It's a train with the Santas. And look, another chocolate Santa. Oh, look at this, more like my dad. This one's more, that one's more of a light brown chocolate. So, And, oh, so we got too many. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So, this is like my dad. This is like my mom. So, this is more like me. My dad, the son loves him. The son totally loves my dad. And he just got back from Florida with my mom on vacation, so he is really, really chocolatey. I love this paper. Hold on. Sorry guys, I'm sick, so. Got it all. Oh, I love that. Like shooting stars. I love this a lot. Okay, so this one was called Santa Express, and that was the item number. Yeah. So if you guys find it. I scared them. I scared myself. Oh, okay. Alright guys, that was it from Stampin' Up. So that's what I paid $100 for, and now I'm a demonstrator for at least another month. Hopefully I'll find some stuff in the catalog. Alright guys, take care. Yeah, I would get the gnomes. We'll see y'all later. Bye.